gotta sit down. Okay. Hey guys. Sorry about this lighting. Not that good. I want to say welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show y'all a vlogging that I want to put a vlogging that I did last week to yesterday, because I'm going to explain y'all and let y'all know that day I had vlog on my phone, and also I had vlog on here too. But when doing the other thing, I think the other day, the 21st or something like that, the other days, and I had vlog on my phone. You might hear a little like echo or something on my phone, because I think it's because from holding my phone all the time vlogging, like, you know how you be vlogging holding your phone like this. I think because I probably messing up my speaker on my phone. But next time if I do, I'm going to use this to put this connected Bluetooth together next time like I did before. I know that because of that, and I don't know, I might show it if y'all see it. It's on there, but I will be cutting parts out of it because I'm gonna try my best. But I'm gonna let y'all go into the video. But before we go to the video, just subscribe and press the bell notification. And so I was trying to put it up yesterday, but and also I'm gonna explain it on today that I was sick doing on the 19th. I will explain to y'all about that, a little bit of that, but I'll see y'all in my next video. I just decided to vlog. I haven't vlogged since a while since on this channel, but okay, but yeah. Hey guys, so welcome back. I wanted to kind of get back into the vlogging on this channel. I want to let y'all know that I had been sick doing yesterday, and so I had to go to the emergency room because I had food poisoning and dehydrate. I didn't know that until they told me that, and they said my liver was kind of messing with me too. So while I was eating, I had ate some catfish strip. Is at this restaurant called Shark and Fish Chicken restaurant. And we got about like that type of restaurant, we got about 4 of them, but one of them was one down the street where we at. I was feeling really bad. I was throwing up so bad, and I had a bad taste before, because it happened when I woke up in the morning, I think at 8 in the morning, and I didn't have to throw up until like later, like about close to 11. I think that's when I started throwing up. I didn't have enough hot dehydrates, because I was like, oh, okay. I kind of figured out that at first I didn't until I thought about it, because I didn't drink enough water a couple other weeks, about 2 weeks or something, because during the days they've been raining. So I went to the hospital like at 3 afternoon to, I left at 3 to 4 probably afternoon, and I left at 9 something with my mom came with me to the emergency room. But I'm doing better right now. I wasn't feeling so bad, and this never happened because I all the time drink water every day, morning, night, afternoon. Just like right now, relaxing. Got a heat pad on my stomach because my ribs is still, my back and my stomach is kind of hurting because of that. But right now I'm eating some rice soup, but I don't know, I'm not really hungry right now. I'm drinking some cranberry juice, and I was drinking some water. Before I drink the cranberry juice, I drink some water. I know right now it's 9:05 a.m. in the morning right now. That's a trash can. But I'll talk to y'all doing later. You okay? Oh. Ow. Oh, my hip hurting. My hip's hurting me. Oh, yes. Okay, guys, I'm back. I gotta clean my room up, fix this bed, and I'm about to put my cover in here. So I don't got my cover on my bed, and I might just put that purple on top of the cover on that. It's just cold, y'all. Oh yeah, see me. I already got the other towel. It's clean. I'm just spraying because it's that spray stuff. Keeps us. Oh yeah, good. Mom just watching it. Oh my god. Oh, my hair. God. Oh, look okay. Yes, I'll be right back. So I'll be right back after I get done with this. I think I got this thing backwards. But I'll be right back. You can tell me stay, but I have to go. I was trying to fix my dresser. Like, I got a black spot in my dresser, and I think it's because of having these like a cap, sleeping cap. My head is top of my head is still hurting me. This because it's cold. I found this in my dresser. I forgot that I had. I'm from an office, and one day I might probably do a Halloween video of like wearing this for the office or something. It's in my closet and put it in there. So I don't have to put it in my dresser. I just do like that. But right now I'm just fixing my dresser to keep it clean because it looks so bad in there, messy in there. Oh, this is my other shirt. I'll wear my stuff on the side.
There's a game. There you go.
Hey guys, oh, I'm about to fall. Hey guys, so welcome back. I'm eating a sucker. This is the next day, Saturday. Right now I'm trying to find me some outfits to put on. I'm so low on this floor. I was going, then I wear my orange sweater that I got. All my favorite one I have. It's like a sweater dress. It's a like extra large. but my hair looking so bad, y'all. Upcoming videos about my hair, my hair kind of got so thick, and this is how I look when I wake up. Well, not why I wear a scarf, but the scarf came off my head. That's the only thing irritates me when I wake up. Got this. It's a hoodie. I'm thinking of putting this on and have like my workout pants on, but it's just too cold. Back in my room, it's cold. I had to turn the heater back on because it's cold. But if y'all enjoyed this, I know that I didn't vlog that much on here. I haven't been vlogging on this channel for a while, but I'm gonna get back into vlogging on my second channel. Try to wait the right time to do it because I don't want to vlog when it's something good. I don't know. I like to vlog when something is good, excited vlog. Yeah. This month's almost over. Got 1 week and it better be over. Yeah, I've been writing some stuff down. I've been going back to my journal that I wrote stuff down that I haven't did this month and the other months. But I see y'all in my next video. Like this video, just thumbs up and share this video. Share it to friends, family. Videos, watch my last videos. Go watch it and grow. I'm trying to grow my channel, and I know I look so bad. I look bad hair day. Don't look at me. Yeah, but subscribe on this channel and my second channel, my vlogging channel too. But bye y'all.